Alrighty, here we have the Tuff terrain tyre deflators. Gonna get these tyres down a little bit, just on a track out at Woodford, and it's getting a little bit too treacherous for 40 psi. Now these things are push lock, pretty simple. I'm just going to let them down to 25 for now. Push them on, let the air out, that's simple. Got the line running out of the patrol from the Tuff terrain compressor. All the lines running together. 18.5. There we go. Blowing tyres up now. Size bag too. There we have it, 40 psi. Now just remember, when you turn that on, you're letting air in. When you turn it off, that's when you get to read your psi. All in all, damn good unit, I think. Takes a bit to set up, but once it's set up, makes it a lot easier.